Hey guys, CJ here from Yugatech, and dashcams have become essential tools for drivers, offering crucial evidence in accidents and enhancing overall road safety. In this review, we take a look at the VANTRUE N4 Pro, a 3-channel dashcam that records the front, rear, and even cabin or interior views of your vehicle. This dashcam features one of those 4K Sony STARVIS 2 sensors for improved HDR capture and nighttime visibility. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Boom, 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 boom. Right off the bat, like any other modern-day dash camera, we have a main unit and a rear view camera. The VANTRUE N4 Pro's main unit is a little bit on the hefty side, but can be considered compact considering there's also a cabin view camera on the right, which can be swiveled up and down. Additionally, the cabin camera gets infrared LEDs, which pretty much provides night vision for the interior camera. In front, the main unit gets a 3.19-inch widescreen display. It isn't the regular 16:9 aspect ratio, so viewing the camera angles on the display looks stretched. But there's also a cool 3-camera view that looks pretty good, so it's safe to say that the display serves its purpose. Additionally, it wasn't a hindrance when it came to setting everything up using just the main unit. Physical buttons are conveniently placed at the bottom for straightforward menu navigation. From left to right, first we have a button for turning recording on or off. Then a button for changing camera views, a microphone mute button, and Wi-Fi. Also found here is the primary mic and IR blaster, because we can purchase a remote for the VANTRUE N4 Pro separately. On the left side, we have the power button that also doubles as a magnetic cover that neatly hides the micro SD card slot and reset button. Up top is a USB Type-C port for connecting the rear view camera. And finally, in the front is the main Sony STARVIS 2 4K main sensor. Next to it is a slot for the GPS mount that friction fits to the main unit with the help of another magnet. So it's like that. On this mount is where we can also find the Type-C port for supplying power. So technically, the only way to adjust it is through the mount through its ball head here. The kit we have also includes the 20 feet USB Type-C to C cable for connecting the rear to the front, a pry tool for cable management, the USB Type-C power plug that fits into our vehicle's 12-volt sockets that also features an extra Type-A charging port, a cleaning cloth, an extra windshield mounts, and 3M adhesive stickers. Oh, and our kit came with a 256GB micro SD card in the box. Setting up the VANTRUE N4 Pro is user-friendly, with all necessary components already provided in the box. If you watched any of our previous dashcam videos, we already know that making things look tidy involves hiding the cables within the interior trims of the vehicle. We didn't really do that this time around since we already had another dashcam currently installed, but just understand that it's how anyone would do it with any dashcam. Our N4 Pro set did come with a hardware kit which would allow us to set the dashcam up in a way where it draws power directly from the car battery even when the car is turned off, which utilizes our vehicle's OBD port. This could be useful in the event your vehicle gets broken into, especially with a cabin view camera to capture everything that's going on inside. And like most modern dash cameras, this one offers Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to connect via the VANTRUE app for live viewing, downloading footage, and providing another way to adjust in-camera settings. And the best part, with the VANTRUE app, you can download any of your videos from the dashcam to your phone with 5G connectivity. Now for the main reason why anyone watches a dashcam review, the video quality. Like we already mentioned, the VANTRUE N4 Pro records front-facing footage in 4K at 30 frames per second. Utilizing a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, the new dashcam industry standard, it easily provides sharp and detailed images even at night, especially when we compare the footage to non-STARVIS sensors. The interior and rear cameras capture at 1080p, ensuring comprehensive coverage. During daytime, the footage is crystal clear with accurate color representation and sufficient detail to read license plates and road signs. And if the glare from the front windshield bothers you guys, there are polarizer filters we can purchase separately to attach in front of the cameras. At night, the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor delivers bright and clear footage. Even in challenging lighting conditions, road signs and plates can easily be made out. Cabin camera quality is pretty nice as well. It's not mirrorless camera quality, but in our opinion, it's more than good enough for seeing what's going on inside your car. The rear view camera has room to improve though, maybe with a higher resolution if we can't get a STARVIS 2 sensor in there. Other notable features from the VANTRUE N4 Pro include parking mode, which we can access using the hardware kit, allowing us to monitor our vehicle while parked, with options for motion detection and time-lapse recording. There's also collision detection, which automatically takes a snapshot in the event of a collision or when going over menacing speed bumps. We can adjust the sensitivity in the settings. GPS tracking. Built-in GPS logs your vehicle's speed and location, which can be useful for reviewing trips and providing evidence in case of incidents. And loop recording, which ensures continuous recording by overwriting the oldest footage when the memory card is full. The dashcam supports up to a 512GB micro SD card, allowing for extended recording periods before overwriting. It's also worth noting that the N4 Pro does not include advanced driver assistance features like lane departure or collision warnings. The VANTRUE N4 Pro is priced at approximately $380 USD, which roughly converts to about 22,000 pesos at the time we recorded this video, making it quite expensive compared to the last STARVIS 2 dash cameras we've featured in the video. The very same kit we feature in this video can be had for 20,299 pesos at the time we recorded this video, seen from the VANTRUE Laz Mall flagship store, links in the description box. While it offers robust features and high-quality recording capabilities, some users may find the price point a little steep, especially when there are more affordable options out there. Of course, those very same ones we're thinking of do not come with a cabin view camera, so we can infer that that's where the extra cost is going. So, who is this dashcam for? Well, it's for someone looking for a new dashcam who wants to hit two birds with one stone by getting a Sony STARVIS 2 front camera sensor and an interior cabin camera. Its 3-channel system provides extensive coverage, and the 4K front camera delivers sharp footage even at night. Overall, the N4 Pro offers a range of features that cater to both everyday drivers and professionals, such as rideshare drivers who require detailed recording of their driving environment. But what do you guys think of the VANTRUE N4 Pro? Let us know in the comment section below. First comment to tell us what the N in N4 Pro means gets an instant heart. And if you liked this video or found it informative, hit that like button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future uploads. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. This has been CJ, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! See you later!